Change is an inevitable part of life and can sometimes impact personal relationships. If you notice a shift in how a friend interacts with you, or if your feelings have changed, it's worth examining the relationship. Consider discussing your concerns with a mutual friend to gain perspective, but be careful to avoid gossip. A direct approach can be effective. Simply ask your friend if something is wrong, avoiding a confrontational tone. If their change in behavior seems severe, such as signs of depression, encourage them to seek professional help. Openly communicate your feelings, using specific examples while reassuring them of your friendship. If issues persist, it may be necessary to create distance for your well-being. Focus on strengthening other relationships and pursuing your interests to help ease the transition, while recognizing that it's normal for friendships to evolve or end.